Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see how to pause search history on YouTube. So to do that, let's head over to YouTube application. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon on the lower right and then head over to your Google account. Now once you are there, scroll down and head over to data and privacy. Now scroll down and go to YouTube history. From here, if you go to YouTube history, you can see an option to turn off. So as you can see, it is turned on and it's including my searches on YouTube, this one. So I'm just unchecking it. So it is saying that pause your YouTube search history. So once I tap on pause, the settings will be paused on all sites, apps, and devices signed into this account. So pausing the settings doesn't delete any of your past data. Your previously saved YouTube search history will still be stored, but you will no longer see your recommendations for content or creators that you like. So just tap on pause. And as you can see, now YouTube search history is turned off. So just tap on got it. And yeah, it is done. This is how you can pause your YouTube search history. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.